Kraken, how to send Bitcoin. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can send Bitcoin on Kraken, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to send Bitcoin on Kraken, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Kraken application that you can find here. Then once you launch the Kraken app, you will set this type of interface, and what you have to do from here is you need to simply go to this particular option called portfolio. Now if you have a certain amount of crypto you want to send it, which is Bitcoin, you need to also make sure you have the Bitcoin wallet address. So to be able to send Bitcoin, you need to have the recipient's address, so ask him or her for the address or the QR code. Then from here, when you have a certain amount of crypto, you'll find the send crypto option, and then you'll be able to send them to others. This way you can send Bitcoin on Kraken. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.